Finishing touches on this match.
Oh my God! Don't be slowed down!
On the move.
Ali rolling. RKO! Rollins with a stop to Lesnar! Roman Reigns. Oh, RKO by Orton! Watch it again! And a Mercury at RKO! And Rollins got it! RKO! On the outside. Doppelter Pin. 2, 3. What the hell is... Oh, there it is!
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
What's doing? I can see one flaw in Carlito's. Oh, my! Oh, RKO!